what's going on, everyone? All right, so today I'm going to do a quick review on a air compressor that actually was sent to me. It is a portable air compressor. It was sent to me by AUXITO. Now, you guys know I deal with AUXITO with all my LEDs for most of my cars. And they sent me this air compressor to basically give it a quick unboxing review and use it. Now, I've been using it for about 3 weeks already. Only had it jumpstart 2 cars, and it works fantastic. But I'm going to show you guys real quick what are the things it has and all the features. First, let's find out what's in this box.
So before I actually show you the product, let's find out what comes inside the box. So first it comes inside a nice carrying case. So this thing is waterproof and it holds pretty much all of your cables that come with this, including the unit. It is a color, of course, of AUXITO, which is yellow and black. And inside of it, of course, you have your jumper cables, your USB cable to charge the actual unit and to charge any other additional like a phone or a tablet. And I'll show you that in a second. You have your inflators for, your ball or like a beach toy or something like that. And then, of course, your tire inflator for your cars and your motorcycles and your bicycle. And then here is the actual unit. Now, again, it is the same color as the AUXITO, which is yellow and black. That's their color. You start it up, it's got a nice LCD screen to show you your battery percentage or your tire pressure or whatever you're inflating. Got side vents. And it does come with an 11,200 milliamp battery for up to 50 jump starts. Has jump starter, air sign, an LED, and an air compressor. And it is good for extreme cold and heat protection. So in any kind of weather. And the tire pressure is pretty accurate. So about 0.01 bar. So it's actually very accurate. You got your side vents. And then you also have an LED, like I said. Now, first here, which is the cool thing, you have different settings for car, motorcycle, bicycle, and of course, inflating any basketball or thing like that. It's got the LED light. So you can use as a flashlight, or you can have a strobe light, or you actually have a emergency one as well in case you're on the side of the road stuck somewhere and you can put this on the road or on the top of the vehicle. Now to charge anything, of course, you plug in your USB to the output and then plug in any device that you're trying to charge that has a USB-C, and you just turn it on and it's charging right there. You got AirPods here, and even my camera can be charged with this. So any small device can actually be charged with this with the USB.
All right, so now we've looked at the features of this little battery pack or jumper pack and compressor. Let's put it to the test. The Chevy Colorado that I have here, that I've been working on for the past few days, has a battery issue. Battery's been dying on it. I think the battery's just bad, and I have to keep jumping it. And also, I keep losing air pressure on one of the tires. So we're gonna go ahead and test this thing out. So right now, this thing is at charged it as much as I could. It's at 99%. That's where we're at. So pretty much 100%. Let's call it that. Let's go ahead and hear this Colorado here. And I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, this thing is completely dead. It won't do anything at all. Trying to turn that key. I got nothing. I don't even got the lights on this. Also, this is a tire that I keep losing air on. And this tire, I filled it up 3 days ago. I'm at about 20 psi right now. So we got to air this tire up. But first, let's jump start the car. So we'll pop the hood. Now, my only problem that I do have with this is right where you connect the jumper cables to. It's like very hard to pull this little tab out of here, especially with somebody that has no nails like me. Pretty much because I bite my nails. So this is my only thing, that they should be a little tab. Make it easier to pull that out. But either way, so we're going to plug this in. Of course, you can see which connector goes where. Plug it in just like that. You get the green status light in there. Then we're going to hook up our jumpers. Of course, we know red goes to red. Black goes to black. Let's go ahead and power it in. 99% battery on there. And let's get her started. There we go. Now we got the car started up, ready to go. And let's see what we lost here. Look at that, 98%. I'm gonna turn it off, unplug it. And the car is now started. So now while the car is running and getting back some juice here, since the battery was completely low, let's go ahead and air up this tire. Let's see what it takes to get it from 20 psi up to 35 where it should be. All right, to air the tire up, of course, we're gonna hook up our extension here or our air hose. This just twists right in here, make sure it's nice and tight all the way down. Lock it in and let it go. So right now at the same time I've had the compressor started. I didn't show you guys this, but I've had my phone going with a timer. We're at about 1 minute and 10 seconds, 11 seconds, and we're at 26 psi. It is pretty loud, but we'll take a look at this. Come back in a little bit once the air is fully, actually the machine will stop on its own, and then we'll see how long it actually takes from 23 till about 36 psi.
So the compressor stopped at 36 psi, which is the psi is set it to for this specific tire. Now it could be set to different psi depending on the tires. It took about 6 minutes and about 22 seconds to actually stop inflating. And that's not bad for a 16 psi difference. Basically, again, it started at 20 psi and ended at 36 psi. Now, when you're taking the actual stem out or the inflator hose out, be careful with that small piece there that it gets very hot. Now, let's also see what battery percentage we're at after we jump started the car and inflated the tire. We are at 89%. That's actually not bad. Only 10% for jump start and inflating a tire from 20 to 36 psi.
That is it. It's actually a pretty good, more of an emergency kit thing, and I will be putting this actually in my wife's car for her to use it in case something happens with her. Other than that, I think it's a great product. If you guys did like the product, you hit the link down below. It'll be take you straight to the website, AUXITO's website. Use the code PRV15. You get 15% off your purchases, and that includes even LED lights. So your entire purchase, you get 15% off. So that's the end of this review. If you guys did enjoy the video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.